A lot of people have been using ChatGPT AI software to generate content and to solve some very tedious work, and it does the work easily. Many people have been using it to write code, many people have been using it to build websites, many people have been using it to generate content, YouTuber, bloggers, and a lot of social media content maker have been using this software to generate a lot. And I have this tutorial for you because it can be useful for you. And today I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to generate social media posts. So without much ado, let's get started. Remember to like and comment and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Let us get started. This is ChatGPT. If you don't know about ChatGPT, you can easily go to the comment section below because I have shown you how you can sign up for ChatGPT using your phone and your system. There's a tutorial for it. Check the comment section below. And if you have signed up for it, I want to show you how you can actually use it to generate social media post. So without much ado, let's get started. So this is ChatGPT platform, and then I'm going to start by asking this question. So social media posts ranges, and then I'm going to show you three. We're going to use it to generate articles, we're going to use it to generate stories, and then we're going to use it to generate essay. And you can easily use them in your social media handle, and people will be like, wow, that is very, very great. So the first question is, write an article on the importance of technology. So I'm going to in a school. So probably maybe I want to write an article for this, and then I want to post it on social media. You just also press on enter, and immediately ChatGPT AI will begin to write out this. Can you see this is the introduction, and then bringing out the point. You see we see improvements in there, see enhanced collaboration. It just lists all, list the five. You can actually tell it to list 10, 50, depending on the type of article that you really want. This software is actually massive, so I really want you to give it a try, and then depending on the type of content that you need, ChatGPT will definitely bring it out for you. So it's still loading, and then at the end of the day, still give you a conclusion, and after that, that is all. Once you see regenerate response, it means it's all. You can easily copy everything and then do some little editing to it, or perhaps you can post it there. You don't have issues with English because it is perfectly written. So the second one for the article section that I want to show you is, let me write this: what are the effects of oversleeping? Yeah, what are the effects of oversleeping? Let me hit on enter, and then you see that ChatGPT will begin to write an article for it. You can use it if you are into health niche. The first one is about technology niche. This one is about health niche. So if you're a tech person and if you're a health person, depending on the type of work career that you are, you can use this ChatGPT to make research. I'll still post more of these on how you can use ChatGPT to make research. So this is it in there. That is so for what ChatGPT can do. Read it and you will definitely see that it is definitely working. If you are getting content from this channel, remember to subscribe to this channel. So let me see whether I can come up with another video. Okay, yeah, another idea rather. How can I stay on the top of my game? Yeah, how can I stay on the top of my game? And probably, yeah, anytime you see something like this, an error have occurred, well, probably it's the network. So that is the reason why I want to show you this tutorial. I would have cut it away. So if you see something like this, it means there is a network issue. So what you just have to do is, well, let me click on regenerate response. It will still do, probably it will not do, still say the same thing. So what you have to do is you just refresh the page here. Can you see it? I'll refresh, and then it's going to bring a new chat. So you can actually find your previous chat at the left side corner. You click on it, and then how can I stop at the top of my game? And then I hit on enter, and ChatGPT will begin to make research on how you can stay on top. And these are what the motivational speaker people, the big men out there, are giving out. So you can write a book on this, and I'll still show you how you can use ChatGPT to write a book. So that is this, and in fact listen to 7, and then you can make it 15. Just put it there. So without wasting much of our time, let me go to the second one, how you can use ChatGPT for the story. See, that is to generate story. So for this, you just come up with some idea, that is, write a story that talks about honesty. Yeah, write a story that talks about honesty, and you will see. When I read the story, I was wowed, because on a normal basis, if you search on Google, you just click on blogs and you begin to see a lot of story. But this one just give you concise story, and you are able to see what you really need. And you copy the story, you can read it to a young boy, post it on your social media platform, or if you're a content creator, you can copy this and then convert it to video, and then you see that you'll be getting a massive view, and people will really love that. Okay, and another one is let's search another one. Let me, what can we do? Okay, let's search on right. Okay, now let me search this. Can you list the trending music in the world? Now whenever you want to use ChatGPT, you must be precise, you must be concise. Now, I've already searched this, and you see what they say. I'm sorry, but I'm unable to browse the internet and do not have access to this current trend. My knowledge is based on information that was available. So anytime you want to use ChatGPT, you must be concise, and you know what you really want to do. Of course, it still give you one or two this thing, but it is a very wide something, and that was the reason why I cannot give you the answer. So let me give you an example of uh a concise something. You see, write a story on the important, because a lot of people are saying ChatGPT is not good, this and that. It is because they did not really, they are not precise and concise. So you have to tell the software what to do, the AI, and you have to be very specific. So write a story in the importance of love in the society, and then it is bringing out this. And when you read it, you discover that it is absolutely great, and it is very good, and it's gonna help you. You can make your own editing, you can change the name, change the setting, change the story. At least it has really helped you to generate some ideas. Okay, the last one is how you can use ChatGPT to write an essay. Okay, just do this, write an essay on how this is funny, on how to propose to, or this is funny. All right, let's see what ChatGPT has here, and wow, this is giving you the essay and how to do that. Well, I know it's kind of funny, but you can use ChatGPT to search a question, and you must be smart, and you have to be specific, and the AI is going to get out to give you the answer. So this is number 4. Yeah, then you can read it for yourself, and you see that in fact the answer to this are real life based experience, and it is something that is real, something that is so real, and it is kind of obvious. And then let's say the last one, write an essay based on, you see, I'm kind of specific based on discipline. And ChatGPT will begin, it start with the definition and then giving you some importance of discipline. And that is a very powerful AI. Of course, people are saying that it cannot replace Google, but what I'm saying, people are using this software. It is specific and it is accurate. Unlike Google, of course, Google is powerful, Google is great, and let's give kudos to the creator of this software. They perform excellently well, and the future of AI will be very very strict and sweet and interesting. So that is all about this video. Please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, comment what do you want me to do, especially on this chat GPT, and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you very much.